Dive into dropshipping, your ticket to freedom. Imagine the possibilities that come with this modern business model. Dropshipping is like the magic key to the entrepreneurial world. It opens doors to endless opportunities and financial independence. You sell products online without ever touching them. This means you can focus on marketing and growing your brand. No more packing boxes in your basement. Say goodbye to the clutter and chaos of traditional inventory management. You partner with a supplier who handles storage and shipping. They take care of the logistics so you don't have to. This means less stress and more time for you. You can focus on what truly matters, like personal growth and family. Imagine working from anywhere with just a laptop. The world becomes your office, and every day is a new adventure. That's the beauty of dropshipping. It's a flexible and scalable business model that adapts to your lifestyle. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind? Embrace the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. Dropshipping is your ticket to freedom. It's the gateway to a life where you call the shots. You can be your own boss and set your own hours. Design a schedule that fits your life, not the other way around. Imagine traveling the world while your business thrives. Experience new cultures and places without sacrificing your income. This dream can be your reality with dropshipping. It's a proven path to achieving your entrepreneurial goals. It's time to take charge and design the life you deserve. Start your dropshipping journey today and unlock your potential. So, you're ready to dive into the world of dropshipping. Where do you find awesome suppliers? Look no further than Aliexpress. This online retail giant is a goldmine for dropshippers. Why? Because Aliexpress offers a massive selection of products at crazy low prices. Think of any product, electronics, clothing, home goods, Aliexpress has it all. And the best part? You can connect directly with manufacturers. This means bigger profits for you. Plus, Aliexpress is super user-friendly, even for beginners. Finding and contacting suppliers is a breeze. Finding US suppliers on Aliexpress is easier than you think. With just a few clicks, you can connect with reliable suppliers who can help you grow your business. Follow these simple steps and you'll be on your way to dropshipping success. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master with a bit of practice. First, type your desired product into the Aliexpress search bar. Make sure to be specific to get the best results. Then, look for the ship from filter. This will help you narrow down your search to suppliers who can ship from the US select United States to see suppliers based in the US. This ensures faster shipping times and better customer satisfaction. Next, check supplier ratings and reviews. This step is crucial to ensure you're dealing with reputable suppliers. Choose suppliers with high ratings and positive feedback. This will increase the likelihood of a successful partnership. Now, contact potential suppliers directly through the Aliexpress messaging system. Clear communication is key to establishing a good relationship. Ask about shipping times, product quality, and dropshipping policies. This will help you understand their capabilities and reliability. Finally, order a sample product to test the supplier's reliability. This step will give you confidence in the quality of the products you will be selling. Section 4. Aliexpress, a global powerhouse by the numbers. Let's dive into the impressive statistics that make Aliexpress a leader in the e-commerce industry. Let's talk numbers. Aliexpress is a global giant in the e-commerce world, connecting millions of buyers and sellers across continents. Over 100 million products are sold on Aliexpress every single day, offering an incredible variety of items to consumers. That's a lot of potential for your dropshipping business. Imagine the opportunities to find unique products and reach a vast audience. The platform boasts over 150 million active buyers worldwide, making it a bustling marketplace with endless possibilities. And get this, Aliexpress ships to over 200 countries and regions, ensuring your products can reach customers no matter where they are. That means you can reach customers all over the globe. Your business can truly have an international presence. These numbers speak for themselves, showcasing the immense scale and reach of Aliexpress. Aliexpress is a force to be reckoned with in the e-commerce world, providing unparalleled opportunities for growth and success. By choosing Aliexpress, you're tapping into a massive market for your dropshipping venture, setting the stage for a thriving business. Section 5. Ready, set, dropship, you've got this! Finding US dropship suppliers on Aliexpress is a simple process. Remember to use the ship from filter, check supplier ratings, and order samples. Aliexpress offers a world of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. With its vast selection, competitive prices, and global reach, Aliexpress is your secret weapon. Take the leap and start building your dropshipping empire today. Embrace the freedom, be your own boss, and achieve financial independence. The world of dropshipping awaits, and Aliexpress is your key to unlocking its potential.